turn on internet connection and go to Google Play Store. Then on the Play Store search tab type Phoenix Browser. As you can see, it's already downloaded on my phone. Check what's new if you want to know about this Phoenix browser. Open Phoenix browser after you install on your mobile phone. After you open Phoenix browser, open your Facebook account. After you open Facebook, search any video or free movie in Facebook to download. Now I'll go to my movie group to download movies. There's notification on the top left on the screen, because Phoenix browser detected videos and ready to download. I'll show you how to download movies, videos. Tap the download button on the right to download video, movie. As you can see on the screen, the video size and download button. Select download button to start downloading. Check detail to see download processing. Wait until the downloading bar reaching 100% and you can play movie all on your mobile phone. Phone offline. Next, let's download movie, video on Facebook. Using link if you can't see video play button and download logo button. Searching video link. Downloading video, movies working and need to complete until 100% play video correctly and you can play it offline. You can download more videos and movies in other sites like Instagram, and any more website using this Phoenix browser. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching.